DigitalChalk's Import Users feature allows you to create users in bulk from the upload of a CSV file into your organization. Now, if you've been a DigitalChalk user for quite some time, the new Import Users feature has replaced the Mass Upload Users feature that we used to offer. To begin, you'll log into your organization as an organization administrator. You'll click the Administration tab, and then you'll click the Import Users link. Next, you'll need to upload a CSV file that you've created, and there's some on-screen instructions there to give you some guidance. Now, as you can see in our instructions that we're currently looking at, it says that you must upload a CSV file that has headers with the required data columns. So for example, I'm using Microsoft Excel to create my CSV file. I've created 4 columns, a first name, last name, email address, and password column as my headers. And then you can see the student data that I'm using, student 1 and 2, with an assigned email address and a password. Now, what's nice about this feature as opposed to our mass upload users feature that we used to offer, if you're using user fields or private user fields, you can now include those columns as columns with headers within your spreadsheet. So for example, if you wanted to have tags included, or if you wanted to have company name included, or any other user fields that you've created within your organization, you can simply create a new column with the appropriate header, include the data within that column, and then we're going to upload the spreadsheet once we have it completed. So I'm going to save my spreadsheet. Make sure you save it as a CSV file, and then we're going to upload that file. Now, once we've uploaded our file, we have to map the columns that are in our CSV file to the appropriate fields within your DigitalChalk organization. So with first name, I'll select the first name field. With the last name column, I'll select the last name field. Email address, I'll select the email address field. And the password, I'll select the password field. So once you've mapped all of your fields within your DigitalChalk organization to the columns within your CSV file, you'll then choose Import Now. Now, depending on the number of users that you've uploaded within your CSV file, this process of importing could take several seconds, several minutes, or even longer, especially if you've got thousands of users within your CSV file. You'll notice the system gives you an indicator here that the process is working, and you can simply click the refresh button to see if the process has completed. Once it's completed, it'll give you a message of success or error. You can click on the link and see who all has been imported, or if you've got any errors, you'll see those errors indicated. And now if we go back to our user list, we'll see the 2 users that we've created. And if you click on any of the users, any of the data that you would have uploaded, so for example, tags or any kind of user information, that data would be included within that new user account that you've created. One important note to make mention of with the Import Users feature is that administrative user roles cannot be assigned using this feature. So once you've uploaded users, if they need an administrative role assigned, you would need to go into the user list after the user has been created and assign the appropriate administrative roles.